Good evening friends. So in this session we will understand about Swachh Vidyalaya program. So this is in news because Controller and Auditor General of India recently submitted a report on the performance of this program. So here COG, Controller and Auditor General of India, it is an authority under Constitution of India which audits the receipts and expenditure of the government. So here this authority has submitted a report on the performance of this program. So in this context we will know what is this Swachh Vidyalaya program, when it was launched and what is the main aim of this program, and also we will see what does the recent report says. So this Swachh Vidyalaya program, the theme is Clean India, Clean School. So we will learn more points related to this. Swachh Vidyalaya Abhiyan, this was launched in the year 2014 and this comes under the Ministry of Education, and the main aim is to meet the Right to Education Act. This act is of 2009 and this act mandates that all schools must have separate toilets for both the boys and girls. So it is very important that these basic facilities needs to be provided in all the schools. A minimum Swachh Vidyalaya package, it includes drinking water, safe drinking water, toilets for both boys and girls, and also hand wash sanitation. So in every school that these facilities needs to be provided compulsorily, because in order to get proper education it is very important that basic facilities needs to be provided to them. So if this program is implemented properly, then many benefits can be achieved, such as it secures a healthy school environment, it protects the child from illness and exclusion, because if hygiene is maintained properly, if toilets are maintained cleanly, and if these facilities are provided to both boys and girls, then it also results into dropouts can be minimized. Because even today in many of the schools, especially in villages, we can see that especially girls, their dropouts levels are very high, and the main reason is lack of toilet facilities. So because of lack of these facilities, they do not go to the schools. So and this results in dropouts. So there is no proper education that is getting, and they are remained illiterates. So by providing these facilities, these dropouts can be minimized, and it also improves attendance of the children. And finally it also promotes equity, because having these facility is the right of every child. So every child should have access to these facilities equally. So it provides equity to both the boys and girls, so that both of them can improve in their education levels, so that they will progress in their lives. Because education plays a very important role in the development of the country. So in order to have proper education, these basic facilities needs to be provided. Now let us see what does the recent report says. The recent report which was submitted by COG, it says that 70% did not have running water facilities in the toilets, while 75% were not being maintained hygienically. And it also says that the objective of providing separate toilets for both boys and girls was not fulfilled in 27% of the schools. And it also says that cases of non-provision of soap, non-provision of buckets, cleaning agents, anti-infectants in the toilets, and inadequate cleanliness of pathway were also noticed. So all this shows that there is poor implementation of this program, and the reason also there is lack of funds available. So because of these reasons there are certain gaps, so these needs to be fulfilled, because education plays a very important role in country's economy, its country's development. So education should be given at most priority. So in order to achieve the high literacy rate, it is very important that these basic facilities needs to be provided in all the schools. That is the main aim of this Swachh Vidyalaya program. And that is all for the day. If you like my video, then please put your thumbs up, and please do share the video and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.